Hello. I never thought that this day would come. Finally, I will be trying the Colorette First Base. This is in the shade Lassie. Lassie has a light with neutral undertone. Ako, I love skin tint for everyday use talaga. SPF 30 plus niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and azelaic acid. I just want to thank my friend Rue for giving me this. Let's try it. This has 30 ml of product. This is the skin tint. Boogs. Oh my God, di ba grabe yung coverage niya? Softer pasabog. Forehead. May people ako dyan, so meron siyang coverage. Like, eye foundation. Again, medyo light lang talaga yung shade na to. But for me, it's still very workable. The nozzle, it controls the amount that you dispense para hindi rin siya magdire-diretso. So, this is the side with first base. Maganda talaga yung coverage ng first base na to. I love that it covers up some of my acne marks, but still, it feels very lightweight. Totoo yon. And hindi ko alam kung dewy lang talaga yung ginamit kong skincare today, but ang ganda ng effect niya. Ang lakas maka-healthy glow. This is my face with first base in the shade Lassie. I only have problem with the nose kasi nagpapatsi-patsi talaga siya. I don't know if kailangan ko siyang remedyohan ng malupitang skincare, but this is how it looks like up close. Very skin-like, lightweight, and still meron siyang coverage.
Nakulangan ako in the superhero.
And this is how first base looks like. Actually, ang ganda niya talaga. Like, sino ka dyan, sis? Ang ganda ng skin mo. Ang healthy tingnan, ang glowing tingnan. Ang sabi ko sa inyo, if medyo maputi talaga yung nakuha yung shade or yung meron kayong shade, onting bronzer lang yan. Ayan, medyo kamatch ko na siya, di ba? It's true to its claims. In fairness naman, you can definitely use this for every day. Good thing meron siya mga ingredients that will benefit the skin. Meron pa ring skincare benefits on the side. Yeah, so if you want to try the first base, maghintay ka ng sale. Kasi medyo pricey siya eh. So, wait ka lang ng sale, sis. Go!